There was a time when my life felt completely broken. I woke up every morning feeling like a failure. Everything around me felt chaotic, and deep down, I knew I was losing control. I wasted so much time chasing quick dopamine hits, scrolling endlessly, binge watching, procrastinating. It numbed the pain, but it didn't fix anything. Then one day, I hit pause. I asked myself, what if I just tried to fix one thing? That small decision led to a complete shift in how I live. Here are the 7 steps I followed to rebuild my life, one habit at a time. Step 1. Clean your space to clear your mind. When your environment is a mess, your mind often feels the same. Piles of laundry, dirty dishes, a desk you can't even use anymore. So I started by cleaning. One room, one drawer, one task. It wasn't just about hygiene, it was about taking back control. I also took care of myself physically. Showered, changed into clean clothes, sprayed a little cologne. Those small actions lifted my mood more than I expected. Step 2. Define your direction. Why do we spend hours scrolling? Not because we're lazy, but because we don't know where we're going. So I sat down and asked myself, what kind of person do I want to become? I wrote it down, my ideal self. Not just the big dreams, but the daily habits. Then I set 2 or 3 realistic goals for the next year, not 10, just a few I could actually focus on. I taped them on my wall so I could see them every day. Step 3. Start small. Really small. This was the game changer. When we try to change everything overnight, we burn out. So I asked, what's the smallest possible habit I can start right now? For me, it was waking up 30 minutes earlier. Then, no phone for the first 30 minutes. That alone changed my mornings. Once it felt natural, I added one more habit. Step by step, I built momentum. Step 4. Structure your day. Without a plan, you waste so much energy just deciding what to do next. So I started creating a daily checklist. Just 3 things a day. Big or small didn't matter. Checking them off gave me a sense of progress and helped me stay focused. Step 5. Move your body. I used to skip workouts because I thought I didn't have time. But even a 15-minute walk changed how I felt. Exercise isn't just about fitness. It's about clarity, mood, and confidence. You don't need a gym membership, just start moving every day. Step 6. Keep promises to yourself. I can't count how many times I said, I'll start tomorrow. But every time I broke that promise, I felt weaker, smaller. So I made a rule. If I make a promise to myself, I keep it. Even if it's small, even if I don't feel like it. That's how you build self-respect, and self-respect is what carries you through hard days. Step 7. Stay consistent, even when you slip. Some days I didn't check off everything. Some days I felt like I was failing again. But I reminded myself, it's not about being perfect, it's about not giving up. If you show up again tomorrow, you haven't failed. Now I look back, and I hardly recognize the person I used to be. And if your life feels like it's falling apart, you can do this too. Not all at once. But one habit, one promise, one step at a time. So here's your challenge. Choose one habit. Start today. And let that small decision change everything.